The Canto Connect app for macOS can be used to keep files and collections in your Canto library synced up with your Mac. Let's learn how to do that in this video tutorial. In Canto, collections are your own personalized roundup of files from your Canto library. You can use a collection to pull together files from any category while you're working in Canto. You might want to keep these synced to your computer to work with them offline in apps, for example. If you haven't already installed the Connect app, jump over to the Mac App Store and search for the Canto Connect app. Then let's go ahead and install it. Now, we'll open up the app, and the first time that we open it, we'll need to log in with the URL and credentials for our Canto library. Now, we'll see two icons for features in the app, and this time, let's choose My Collections. On our Canto library, we'll need to open up the menu on the left side and click on this Sync button at the bottom. This turns on syncing for our collections to push files down to our Mac. Now, back in the Mac app, the files should sync in shortly. You can click on Open Canto Sync Folder to open up the folder that stores all of the files. You could then open these files up in any app that you wanted to work with them in. Anytime that we add more files to a collection, they'll be synced to your Mac as well. One other option I wanted to show you was that you can change the folder that the collection stays synced to. If you go to the settings, you can click Change on the sync folder and choose a new path to sync up these collections. If you know you're going to need to keep files from your Canto collections nearby to work with, or are going to work offline sometimes, consider keeping them synced with the Canto Connect app. Thanks for watching.